Students, now we are going to see the second question, first subdivision, for which values of a and b, thus the following pair of linear equations will be having infinite number of mini solutions. Okay, so they have given the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so let's we move for the solution. The condition for a pair of equations to have an infinite number of solutions is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so this equation must satisfy this condition to have an infinite number of solutions. Okay, so now pick out the values of a1, which is 2, then a2, the coefficient of x in the second equation, which is a minus b, then b1 value, which is 3, b2 value, the coefficient of y in the second equation, which is a plus b, then c1, which is, see here it is minus 7, because when I write in the standard form this 7 goes to this side, so it becomes minus 7, then c2 is equal to minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, it is minus of 3a plus b minus 2, because when this expression goes to LHS it becomes minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Clear? Okay. Now the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. First substitute these values in this condition. So it is 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b is equal to minus 7 by minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, so I can cancel this minus signs. Okay, so on comparing the first two equations, so it is 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. So just cross multiply it, 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. Multiplying 2 inside the bracket, it becomes 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. It is 2a, bringing this 3a to LHS, minus 3a plus 2b, then bringing this minus 3b to LHS, plus 3b is equal to 0. So 2a minus 3a, it is minus a, plus 2b plus 3b, it is plus 5b is equal to 0. See here I am having negative sign in the first term, for that I am going to multiply by minus 1 on both sides. So if I multiply this equation by minus 1 on both sides, this minus sign will be changed to plus sign. So it is plus a, then plus 5b turns to minus 5b is equal to 0, because in this side 0 into minus 1, so 0 into anything becomes 0. So it is a minus 5b is equal to 0. Mark it as equation number 1. Then I am going to compare these two expressions. On comparing, three by a plus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So just cross multiply, 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. So which is 3 into 3a 9a, 3 into b plus 3b 3 into minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. So 9a, bringing this 7a to LHS, minus 7a, then plus 3b, bringing this 7b to LHS, minus 7b, then minus 6 is equal to 0. So it is 9a minus 7a, which is 2a, then 3b minus 7b minus 4b, then minus 6 is equal to 0. Mark this as equation number 2. Okay. Now I am having two equations, a minus 5b is equal to 0, then 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve these two equations by using the cross multiplication method. Okay. So on solving these two equations, we will be getting the values of a and b as 5 and 1. Okay. So you can solve these two equations by using the cross multiplication method. On solving these two equations, you will be getting the value of a to be 5 and b to be 1. Clear? Next, the second subdivision, for which values of k does the following pair of linear equations will have no solution. Okay. So they have given the equations to be 3x plus y is equal to 1, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. Okay. Now let us move for the solution. The condition for a pair of equations to have no solution is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. If the coefficients of x and y are satisfying this condition, then we can conclude the given pair of equations will have no solution. Okay. So let us find the value of k by using this condition. Substitute the values of a1 a2, b1 b2 and c1 c2 in this condition. First find the values a1 3, a2 which is 2k minus 1. Then b1 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1. C1 value minus 1, C2 value minus of 2k plus 1. Okay. So when I bring this 1 to LHS, it becomes minus 1 because I have to represent in the standard form, right. So when 1 goes here, it becomes minus 1. Then when 2k plus 1 goes here, it becomes minus of 2k plus 1. Clear? Then substitute the values. a1 by a2, that is 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to b1 by b2, that is 1 by k minus 1 is equal to, is not equal to c1 by c2, that is minus 1 divided by minus of 2k plus 1. We can cancel these negative signs on the numerator and denominator. Then on comparing the first two equalities, which are 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1. On cross multiplying it, I will get 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. So it is 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So bringing this 2k to LHS, 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1. Taking this minus 3 to RHS, it becomes plus 3. So 3k minus 2k is k is equal to minus 1 plus 3 gives 2. So the value of k is equal to 2. Then we have to compare these two inequalities. Okay, on comparing 1 by k minus 1 is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. Just cross multiply it. 1 into 2k plus 1 gives 2k plus 1 is not equal to 1 into k minus 1 gives k minus 1. Then bring this k to LHS. 2k minus k is not equal to minus 1. Bring this plus 1 to RHS, it becomes minus 1. So, 2k minus k gives k. K is not equal to minus 1 gives minus 2. Thus, we are getting the value of k to be 2 and k is not equal to minus 2. So, if k is equal to 2 and not equal to minus 2, then we can say the given pair of linear equations will be having no solution. Okay. So, let us conclude. If k is equal to 2 and k is not equal to minus 2, then the given pair of linear equations will have no solution. Clear?